Super important. Make sure you understand how massive this wood cutting board is before ordering. Get your measuring tapes out. 30 by 20 inches. The king of Thanksgiving meal prep. Lightweight yet massive. Love prepping an abundance of wholesome, mouthwatering food for the whole neighborhood? Weighing in at a meager 11 pounds, this 30-inch cutting board with handle grooves boasts more than enough room to conquer Christmas holiday and Thanksgiving turkeys and hams, tackle the biggest brisket barbecue, chop those monster watermelons and work as a bread bench without breaking your back. Extra countertop space you need. A noodle board that fits perfectly over most electric stovetops, gas ranges and sinks to create that coveted extra countertop space during those holiday events, birthday parties and Thanksgiving feasts. 4 ounces corner spout deep juice groove makes retaining spills, pouring off and transporting the juiciest chopping block meats a breeze. Mom and Dad approved. Safest, healthiest. We meticulously have every wooden cutting board third-party inspected under the strictest USA standards. A vigorous cutting board for restaurant environments and the healthiest choice for the people you love most. Gorgeous earth-friendly bamboo. Keep knives happy and feel good knowing you reduced your impact. Because bamboo is all natural, it's organically grown with a beautiful surface tension that prevents dulling and a natural two-tone finish and elegant rounded corners that beautifies any countertop. Top reviews from the United States. This covers my standard gas range. This fits nicely over my standard-sized gas range and allows extra counter space. It's sturdy and expensive looking. I love that while I bought specifically for more counter space, I can just gather my fruits, vegetables and also have a big cutting board. I wipe down immediately after using to avoid bunked-on juices, and it is a little cumbersome to get in my sink, but still have no complaints. I can still wash and clean in my sink. Had 2 compartments and is fairly deep, by being careful. Would recommend to anyone interested.